If you're wondering how to use HR software to reduce turnover, this quick guide is going to save you hours of trial and error and possibly thousands in lost talent. Stick around because I've tested all the most popular HR software platforms and I'll show you exactly how to use them to keep your best people. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial link for my top recommendation in the description, only available through my channel. Let's jump in. First, the biggest mistake companies make is thinking HR software is just for hiring or payroll. If you want to reduce turnover, you need to use it strategically for tracking engagement, identifying flight risks, and proactively managing retention. Start by setting up employee surveys. Most HR tools have built-in pulse surveys or engagement check-ins. You want to collect feedback monthly, anonymously, so employees feel safe being honest. Watch for patterns in team morale or frustration, low scores in management or growth opportunities. That's where turnover starts. Next, build custom reports that track key turnover signals, things like absenteeism spikes, skipped check-ins, or declining performance scores. Good HR software will let you automate alerts when someone's engagement starts slipping, so you can intervene early instead of scrambling when they resign. Now, let's talk onboarding. This is where most turnover happens, especially in the first 90 days. Your HR system should include automated onboarding workflows, role-specific checklists, welcome messages, team intros, and scheduled check-ins. The goal? Make new hires feel seen, supported, and productive from day one. Retention also comes down to development. Use your HR platform to set up goal tracking and development plans. Tools like Lattice, Bamboo HR, and Gusto let you create personalized growth paths with manager feedback built in. When employees see a future with you, they stay. Recognition matters too. Most HR platforms now include peer shoutouts or manager kudos. Make sure you're using these features. Public recognition boosts morale and belonging. Even something as simple as a quarterly shoutout system can lower turnover across teams. And finally, exit surveys. This part is gold. Set up automated exit forms and analyze why people are leaving. You're looking for trends, specific departments, managers, or missed opportunities. Then you use that data to adjust your culture, policies, or team structure proactively. Quick recap. Use HR software to gather honest feedback, track early warning signs, automate onboarding, support growth, celebrate wins, and learn from exits. If you do these right, you'll turn your HR system from a data vault into a retention machine. The key takeaway? HR software isn't just a back-end tool, it's your frontline defense against high turnover. When used properly, it can give you the insights and systems to keep your top talent happy, motivated, and loyal. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below for my recommended HR platform. It's the one I've seen work best across the board, and you can follow along with everything I just showed you. Thanks for watching. Try it out and let me know how it goes.